Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Robotech. In this video, I will show you how to make a free intro for YouTube channel. We are going to use PlaceIT website, which is completely free. So, let's get started. Open your favorite browser. In my case I am using Google Chrome. Type placeit.com in search bar of your browser, and hit enter. I apologize, my internet connection is quite weak, so it took a while to open it. This is the home section of PlaceIT website. Here you can find many ready-made template for your project, like phone mockups, in-row video make for YouTube. In our case we are making free intro video for YouTube channel, so, for that, click on Video tab, and click on YouTube Videos. Here, you can see, there are many ready-made intro template for your YouTube channel. Just click which one do you like. I love this one. So, I choose this template as a demo one. In order to add logo in your intro video, upload image, and hit enter. Select file. Resize and crop your logo. My internet is too weak, so it took time to load. To download or preview an intro you have to log in first. After you successfully signed up, click on Play All to view your promo video. Wait for a while, your video is being processing. You can also download a file. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.